Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today I want to tell you about the CAVFAB 1-ton steering kit. These guys are running an awesome deal right now with the Black Friday blowout sale. You can get a 1-ton JK steering kit for $303.99. I bought this same kit and put on my Jeep, and I paid a little over $400 for it. It comes with all the necessary hardware. The kit is a 1.5 inch diameter tubing, comes with the massive 1-ton tie rods. That is a tie rod and a drag link ready to install. It comes with a no bullshit, no questions asked lifetime warranty. You can get the Heim joints as well if you prefer. That's just an option, an extra option, but you need to hurry today. This sale's not going to last forever, and these guys are blowing these things out at $303. You need to jump on it. Let me show you mine. CAVFAB 1-ton JK kit, tie rod link, 1-ton joints, drag link with 1-ton joints, all serviceable, grease fittings. It is a rock solid heavy duty kit for any Jeep JK. I mean, it's a must have. So guys, if you're in the market for a new steering upgrade, you're not going to beat $303. You need to jump on it today and take advantage of the CAVFAB blowout, and take advantage of upgrading your steering system. You will not be disappointed. Made in the USA, right here in Georgia. Again guys, that's a 1-ton steering kit for $303. Jump on CAVFAB.com right now and go ahead and use the coupon code THANKS20. See you guys. Thanks for watching.